name is Tanisha, and I am showing you a feature of this iPhone S.
6S.
iPhone 6S. So I'm gonna be reviewing this iPhone because I really like it. It's gonna be a bit huge. Okay, it comes in a plastic where you can see.
It's come wrapped in a plastic.
It's a wrap box. So we're gonna take a look at the cover. What we have.
And as you can see, it's a
As
very
you
good,
can see, it's a really
very good box.
phone for an iPhone to live. I can't open it.
Hold the base properly.
I'm not sure if I can open. Yeah. Oh yes.
So what will you say now?
So this is our iPhone
6S.
6S.
Let's keep it aside
Let's keep it aside.
and let's see what's
And let's
other
see
thing
what's
inside the
the
box.
thing inside the super duper box. We have here a charger.
Yeah.
I'll be showing you my own charger.
Yeah.
I can charge. And a headphones
Correct.
that I can listen when I'm doing my music. And don't forget
And cable to charge it.
a charger. Oopsie.
Charging cable.
A charging cable.
Yeah.
We got a silly charging cable.
Yeah.
This is so cute. Okay.
Oh, this you didn't tell about this one, Tanusha.
Okay.
The book there.
And you can leave a space. And
Okay.
those are the instructions.
Yeah, correct.
So it's gonna got a little cover here and the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna put the cover in. Okay, my iPhone is a bit
Yeah.
ruffly.
Tell about the icon. Don't take that out. Don't take that out. Yeah. Tell about the iPhone now.
My iPhone is really cute. Well,
Yeah.
the button is not working normally.
Tell about
switch
something
it
about
on.
what color is it. Tell
Its
about the color.
color is gold and silver. Okay, so this is how we look. It looks a bit cute.
So now, Tanusha, what you will say at the end of the video? Now we're closing the video. Say, please share my video and give nice reviews.
Nice reviews about this. But what about the password?
And see you again next time.
You forgot the password
See you again.
and the downloading games.
See you again next time.
So I just got a more few.
Tanusha, you're not saying bye. See you again.
So see you again. I hope you leave in the comments section below. And thanks. Don't forget to give us a thumb up to subscribe for
Okay.
more YouTube.
Okay. Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.